Okay, so visible naman yung screen ano, nakikita niyo naman. So, this is Python, then, una, siguro probably, it's better to show you bakit ba Python ano, why do we have to understand it ano. Um, for one, Python is, one of the programs na very important if you want to pursue a data analyst or gusto mong pasukin yung area ng data science, data analysis ano. So kahit saan maghanap ka yan, mga data analyst jobs, whether it's in JobStreet or LinkedIn, often malaki yung chance na they would be requiring for you to have at least a background knowledge of Python ano. Kasi you might be wondering mamaya pag nakita nyo na bakit parang pang IT na siya 'no, parang it's, trending to more towards, information technology, which is true. Totoo naman 'yun ano, mamaya makikita niyo rin. But, it is a tool that's necessary, you know, especially for automation and if you want to, program, okay. So mangyayari at mangyayari 'yun ano. Meron nga tayong former student, dati student ko rin 'yun, dito sa BSU. Um, Maybe in the future we can invite her. Nagwo-work siya as data analyst ano, tapos naka-travel na rin siya abroad, nagpunta siya ng, US, nagpunta siya ng India. So, one of the things na talagang very useful din sa trabaho niya is yung Python kasi they are creating, a program. So, gumawa sila ng chatbot. Right. So yung pinakang foundation nun lies heavily on coding, programming. So yun na, I'm just giving you a heads up or parang binibigyan ko, I'm just trying to set the premise as to why we are studying this. No? So makikita ninyo, kagaya ng example dito, so yan na, pag-aralan na natin to, data visualization. So you have Excel, SQL, maybe pag-aralan natin to in your fourth year kasi pang ano na to eh, data management na to. No? But, I have lectures in SQL as well ano. So, ayan. Tapos, Python, software development 'no. So, kahit saan ka magtingin, very important 'yan. And again, ang data analyst is a lucrative job din naman 'yan. Makikita niyo 'yan, 55,000 to 65,000, nasa mga gano'n ano. Nung nag-start 'yan mas malaki, umaabot pa ng 100,000 ano. Ngayon kasi medyo marami na talaga rin yung aware at, trained. Kaya mas nagiging ano na, hindi na siya super sought after na marami ng mga tao na skilled, equipped to handle, data analysis ano. So again, why Python? Um, Halos lahat na makikita niyong, software programs 'no, applications on your phone, on your computer are, built around Python ano or meron siyang, what do you call this? Or parang pinaka-foundation 'no, yung bricks 'no, yung foundation bricks niya ay nag-i-start sa coding which is done through Python. So, that's the reason why, it's good na mapag-aralan din natin siya. Kahit hindi naman heavy ano, kahit yung pinakang foundation lang. Later on pagka nag-work na kayo, if you want to pursue yung mas malalalim pa na talagang, creating programs et cetera, puwede niyo ng aralin yun on your own ano or mag-take kayo ng mga additional courses. But for now, we can start with, yung basic concepts ano. So, earlier, nung nag-join yung, iba, I gave them this ano, so puwede mong downloadin yung Python on python.org 'no. It's a legitimate website .org yan. So, this is the latest version. If ang gamit mo is Mac, then you just click here tapos may ibang, what do you call this, ibang installation package yung ibibigay niya sa'yo. So, later on makikita niyo rin iba rin yung command kapagka Mac at OS ano. So ayun. And then Another option, kung gusto niyo akong sabayan, puwede kayong magpunta sa pythonanywhere.com. Okey, so puwede kayong mag-create niyan, free account, no download necessary. So, ayan, example, wait lang, 'yan, this is the Python. So, pagka naka-create ka na ng account, meron ka na rin parang ayan, this is the parang environment 'no. So, yung mga ita-type ko later on, puwede mo ring i-type diyan and we would have the same results, okey. But for now, ako since meron naman ako, I have already downloaded it, dito na ito na rin, ito na yung gagamitin ko 'no. So, I've launched the program, okey. So, ayan, a couple more things, so Python is a versatile, high-level interpreted general purpose programming language known for its readability, easy to use, widely used in web development, data science, and software development. So again, trending towards IT na siya, no? Web development na yan. Ano? Pwede kang maging web developer pag mas advanced na yung alam mo. But again, coding kasi to eh. No? And ngayon with AI napakadali na rin naman ano, yung mga code hindi mo na siya kailangang kabisaduhin talaga, you just need to understand the concepts kasi you can easily copy it online ano or search for it online. Even yung complex parts na papaano ko mapapalabas 'to, you can ask AI and then ita-type mo na lang siya. But yung understanding how it works, yun yung mahalagang maintindihan ninyo 'no. So, Um, yan, executed line by line rather than compiled into a machine code. High level, uses a syntax, so meron siyang order. Can be used for a wide variety of applications, not just specific tasks. And then supports object-oriented programming concepts allowing for modular and reusable code. So dynamic typing, Python determines the type of a variable during runtime, not before, and then free to use. Again, wala ka namang babayaran diyan ano if you download it. And again, kung hindi mo siya ma-download for whatever reason or hindi kaya ng computer mo, then you can again go to the website I gave you. So simple, versatile, tapos kapag ka nag-work na kayo, you would have access to this depende sa company ninyo. Mayroong Panda, may NumPy, Matplotlib o Matplotlib. So, sorry hindi ko pa 'to nakikita, ano. Yung pandas yan very common yan ano. And then, large community support making it a powerful and efficient tool for data manipulation. Okay, ayan. So again, sabi ko sa inyo yan, San Miguel Corporation, Thomson Reuters. Dati nag-work pa ako sa BPO, katabing office namin yan sa BGC 'no, yung Thomson Reuters, yung time na na-assign ako doon, malaki rin ang ano niyan, malaki yung office nila at saka malaking news ano siya, agency in UK ano. So data analyst, so makikita ninyo they are looking for people na ano, you call this, have experience and are trained for ayan, either R or Python. So yung R is also a coding, software or web development tool din siya. Pero between the two mas madaling gamitin yung, Python, 'no, mas universal siya. But then again 'pag advance na 'no, you wanted to, learn the other ano language, you can also do that naman. So sa San Miguel gano'n din ano, Python, SQL, Excel, Power BI. The Power BI, if you've downloaded it, it works similar, highly similar with Looker. So meron na kayong foundation ng Looker, natutunan niyo na 'yun. Kung ano yung ginawa niyo do'n, puwede niyo ring gawin sa Power BI. It runs almost similar ano. So 'yan. Ang ano lang naman kasi, ang pinakang problem lang naman with the Microsoft application is that, of course, it requires license. So kung wala kang license, there are certain, features na hindi mo maa-access, right? Kaya nagpunta tayo dun sa cheaper and more practical route, which is doing or using Looker. Ano. But yan, it's almost the same. If you get the concepts, you can dig deeper. Ganun din, gagawa kayo ng mga dashboards for your companies, yung sa boss niyo, you will create dashboards and all. So ganun ano. So yan. Companies, they are looking for people who know how to use Python. So ito yung ilan sa mga basic no na commands na ituturo ko sa inyo and just to show you what Python is all about. So again, this is a web development tool ano. So today we're going to cover printing text. So kung meron kang gustong ipalabas na text sa kanya, it can do it. Variables and data types, getting user input. Ibig sabihin, pwede mong tanungin yung user anong gusto mong i-input na information. Like for example, meron kang Google Form. Sa Google Form, ilagay mo pangalan, address, phone number, etc. So ganun, pwede mo siyang gawin. Yung pinakang foundation niya na magagawa mo rin yan sa Python, ano, you're asking for user input. Basic arithmetic, computation, pwede niyang gawin. Conditional statements, if and else, tinuro ko na to sa inyo sa Excel. What if, ibig sabihin, there is a condition, the condition must be met. Okay, loops. So yan, for and while. And then lists, yung arrays, and then clear. Okay. So we are going to cover the following today. So I'm going to launch Python. So kung hindi pa siya naka-launch, you're just going to look for it in your yan dito sa magnifying glass, just search for it, no, and then just simply launch it. So ganun lang siya kadali, no? Just like any other program. So yan. Visible na ba yung Python screen ko? Ano na lang, pa-comment ano kasi
Opo.
isang screen. Okay, so thank you so much, Joanne. Um, so una is print. So printing text, no? So ibig sabihin, maglalabas tayo ng text based dun sa itinype natin ano or palalabasin natin siya dito sa Python. So kahit saang pagka nag-aaral ka ng IT 'no, ito yung common ano nila, biruan nila yung hello world. Kasi yan yung ano, um, first command na pwede mong gawin. Hello world. So hello world routine. So print hello world. Ibig sabihin, you're going to ask Python to print or show in the screen a text output. Okay? So remember, kapag ka textual sa field ng Python, tatandaan class, it has to be enclosed in open and close quotations. Okay? So huwag niyong kakalimutan yun na if it's text. Kasi if it's numerical, ibang usapan yun. So yan. So when I say hello world, lumabas siya. Hello world. Okay? So ganun din. You can ask it to print anything. Kung anong gusto mo, kunwari, I love business analytics. So, okay. So again, print, open, open quote, yung actual text including spaces, close quote, and then close parenthesis, enter, and then ilalabas niya yung actual text. Okay? So, yan. Kung nasa ano kayo, you're using Python anywhere, you can follow me. Pwede niyong simulan yan. Pwede kayong mag-type niyan. Kung ano yung tinype ko, you do it there, ganun din lalabas. Okay? So, displaying a textual output. Now, what about data? So, when you say data, remember, di ba we have a concept called data privacy no, nowadays. So what is data? Ibig sabihin, data is information pertaining to an individual, right? Or an entity. Okay? So with that, pwede kang bigay ng data kay Python and then it would interpret it as, a data that you are trying to parang tinuturuan mo si Python na, when I say data, ito yung information na kung kunwari sinabi kong name, age, height, at saka whether siya ay student or kung ano man, dapat yun ang ilalabas mo sa akin, 'no? Itong pangalan na 'to, itong age na 'to, itong height. So, you're trying to, teach Python about the data of a certain person. So, later on, as you, request for that information, ilalabas niya sa'yo kung ano yung itinuro mo sa kanya 'no, kasi tinuturuan mo siya ng data, eh, right? So, simulan natin ano with, for example, meron akong gustong i-describe sa kanya. For example, name is, Jason. Name is Jason. Notice na when I entered, wala naman siyang nilalabas na information kasi again tinuturuan ko pa lang siya, eh. Parang kumbaga kinakausap mo si Python, "Okey, lahat ng information na enter ko sa'yo, you have to remember it and then later on when I ask for it, yun yung ibibigay mo sa akin." Okey? So, age. Age is, siyempre bata pa tayo, 25 years old, hindi joke lang. 30 ano na ako ngayon, 38. So, 38. Remember, pagka numerical, hindi mo siya kailangan lagyan ng quote kasi again, the the development or software development program understands it as a, numerical data, 'no? Universal 'yan, numerical 'yan, walang problema. Okay? So, age is 38, height, is equals to, let's say 5'5", and then is, so when you say is, 'no, parang is student, okay? So, sabihin natin true, okay? Kapitan natin, true. So, na-set na natin itong data na 'to, 'no? So, we have, Jason, age 38, height 5'5", is student equals true. Ngayon, sabi ko kanina, pagka binatuhan mo ng data si Python, it tries to understand, eh. It tries to understand your inputs. So later, when you're trying to retrieve things, pagka meron akong hiningi sa kanya, ibibigay niya sa akin based dun sa kung ano yung itinuro mo sa akin previously, right? So now comes the time na I want you to tell me the name. So print name. So sabihin ko sa kanya, sige nga, ano yung pangalan, right? Okay. Print name. Ah, sabihin, name, lagyan natin ng ano, colon and then quote. Ibig sabihin gusto ko makita parang I'm trying to show the information, this is name kasi otherwise ilalabas niya Jason lang, right? Pero I want it to look formal, pwede mo sabihin, pwede mo i-capitalize lahat, name, tapos may colon, open and close quote. Ibig sabihin, that's the text that I want to see preceded by the actual data. No? Ibig sabihin, bago yung actual na pangalan, gusto ko yun yung nakalabas. No? This is the identifier. Okay, I hope naiintindihan niyo 'no, kasi again ang hirap ituro talaga nito 'pag hindi face to face, eh, 'no, kasi hindi ko makita whether naiintindihan niyo ba or hindi, unlike yung pagkaharapan ano. So I hope you're following. So, sorry ba't ko ba tinype yun? Print name, colon, tapos close quote and then comma, yung separator natin. So ngayon, earlier if you would recall, nagbigay na tayo ng data kay ano, eh, kay Python. Sinabi natin na ang name ay Jason, okay? So therefore, when I ask for the name, dapat ang ibigay mo sa akin, Jason. Clear? So ngayon, once that is set, I close it, enter, name, ibinigay niya sa akin, Jason. Why? Kasi yun yung tinuro ko sa kanya, eh. Nagbigay ako ng data sa kanya earlier. Name is equals to Jason. So, as my codes or kunwari nag-type pa ako ng sobrang daming series of codes, let's say I'm building a program or I'm building a website. And then somewhere along that trail of scripts, nangingi ako sa kanya, "Sige print mo name." Ilalabas pa rin niya sa akin whichever is the first or the last rather, last command I taught it what name is all about. I hope I'm making sense ano, naiintindihan ba? Sana naintindihan ano, I'm not sure kung ano, hindi ko nakita, whether nag-agree ba sila or what. Okay. So, you can do the same thing for the rest of the data. So, kunwari hihingiin ko naman pakilabas yung age, okay? So, I want it to print age, colon, close quote, and then comma for the separator, and then kung ano yung itinuro ko sa kanya kanina na age. Ang tinuro ko sa kanya kanina, age is 38, dapat ilabas niya sa akin 38. Okay? So, print age as age and then age is equals to 38. Sinagot na ako ni Python. Ano yung age? It's 38. Kasi, saan nanggaling yun? Yung tinuro ko sa kanya kanina na input. Naintindihan? Okay. So, yun. Okay, so data entry meron na tayo. So we have print, we have data entry, and then yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, generating user input. So if gusto natin mangingi sa kanya ng input, no, or parang you're trying to build a form, this is built around these types of codes, no. So ngayon, what we can do is name is equals to, papalitan ko na siya ha. Again, ang tinuro ko sa kanya kanina, name is equals to JSON. But this time, ang gagawin natin, this is more of an interactive type of code. No? Tuturuan naman natin ngayon si Python na kapag next time na mangingi ako sa kanya ng name, ibabalik niya sa akin and I'm going to ask for your input, user input. No? Ibigay mo sa akin kung ano yung name. Okay? So, manghihingi siya sa'yo ngayon. So, name is equals to input. So, ito yung input command. And then, enter your name. Kasi parang ano na to, concept na to ng forms eh. Next time that I ask for the name or print the name, ibabalik niya sa akin. Enter your name. Lagay mo yung name mo. Tapos kukunin ko yon. Ganun na, user ano siya, user input. Okay? So, tinuro ko sa kanya, ayan, enter your name. So, nangingi siya ngayon, enter your name. So, maglagay ako ng ibang pangalan. Nilagay natin dyan, John Cena. That's the name. Okay, yan na yung name ngayon, ano? So, ngayon, let's try print. Hello. Hello, tapos plus yung name plus lagyan natin siya ng, you call this open quote. So, okay. So let's try. Ayan. Lumabas na pala. So print hello, tapos ano yung name na tinuro ko sa kanya? So nangingi siya sa akin ng input, enter your name. Binigay ko yung bagong name ko, John Cena. So print hello name. So inilabas niya na ngayon. Hello, John Cena. Tapos naglagay ako ng additional na, ano ba tawag nito? Exclamation point. So ganyan siya. Okay? So you can do the same on Python anywhere. Okay? Okay, so third, getting user input. So that's covered, ano. So again, ano, para kang nag-ano, eh, 'no, it's very interactive and intuitive, 'no. Wala ka naman sinabi na forms or anything, but when I say enter your name, hiningi niya sa'kin yung ngayon yung name ko. So you can do the same, enter your age, enter your, height, lahat, 'no. Para dito sa mga data na 'to, you can do the same. Ngayon, tuturuan naman natin siya of values or yung basic arithmetic. Siguro kahit hanggang 5 i-cover natin, ta's let's go back to our reporters and check if, ah, ready na sila. Tapos yung another, remaining rather, set of codes ituro ko naman sa inyo on our next meeting. Okay. So ngayon arithmetic, numerical 'no, tuturuan naman natin si Python ng numbers, okay. So ngayon, of course numbers it's universal, eh. So pagka nag-add tayo ng numbers diyan, it would really give us what the total is. However, if we assign textual values from numbers, yun yung gusto natin ituro sa kanya, eh, 'no. For example, saan siya handy? Let's say meron kang tindahan or you have a store and then you have products, 'no. So, let's say a tumbler is 50 pesos or a tumbler is 300 pesos, a shirt is 500 pesos, something like that, right? So, anytime na mag-e-enter ka ng field, 'no, whether it's in the website, it's in the form, or it's in the program, ilalabas niya sa'yo ng ilalabas yung numerical. And at the same time pupuwede mo siyang pa-computein, okey? So, we are trying to assign, arithmetic values, ano. So, A, lagay ko muna as A, ano, kasi para mas maintindihan niyo lang. So, A means, for example, this is 100, okey. Tinuturuan ko siya ngayon, na sabi ko, "Python, tatandaan mo A is equals to 100." Okay, cool. B is equals to 200, okey? So ayan, ina-absorb niya lang kung ano yung tinuturo ko sa kanya. Ngayon, when I want to test whether natutunan niya ba yung, um, inputs ko or whether nag-register yung inputs ko. So I will try to check that, ano. So print sum. So sa Excel tinuro ko yan sa inyo, sa Looker nagawa niyo rin yan. So sum. So, I want to show it na naka-label siya as sum and then bilangin mo, right? So, sum, colon, quote, and then what I want you to do, Python, is A plus B. So, i-add mo yung dalawang tinuro ko sa'yo, A at saka B. Okay? Close quote. Ay, sorry. Mali. Python input line 1 sum A plus B, invalid syntax. Ay, okey, sorry. Tingnan mo, ha, pati yung comma tinuro niya sa'kin, nakalimutan ko yung comma, ulitin natin. Tama ka nga naman Python, ano, sorry naman. Ang galing, ano, talagang sasabihin niya rin sa'yo kung ano yung naging error mo. It's like you're talking to an AI, ano. Ayan, oh, very good. Okey, nilabas na sa'kin ni Python, okey, tama naman. Kalimutan ko daw maglagay ng comma. So, A plus B, A assigned value is 100 and then B is 200 and then binigay niya na sa atin ngayon yung value, which is 300. And hindi lang siya limited sa sum, ano, you can ask it to perform any type of arithmetic commands. Multiply, um, divide, subtract, lahat, no? Pupuwede niyang gawin. So let's say I want to see the difference. Difference, ah, colon, quote, 'wag natin kalimutan ng comma, sabi ni Python, A minus sorry, A minus B. Okay, if it's correct. Difference, negative 100. Okay, kasi yung syntax nga naman niya, 100 babawasan mo 200, so it's negative 100. Okay, so pwede mong bago-baguhin yan, 'no, papalitan mo lang yung, um, what you're trying to look for. And yung operation sign, it could be multiply, it could be divide, etc., etc. Okay? So covered na natin yung conditional statements, no? Okay, so ngayon, siguro I'll end it right muna with a clear ano. So kasi tingnan natin if yung reporters are already up, ready to start. Ready na ba yung mga reporters? Pwede na ba mag ano, simula? Pa-confirm na lang po if ano na, pwede na kayo mag-start. Wala pa?
Okay na,
Okay.
sir.
Sige. So sige, I'll end it muna with a clear command ano. So import OS and then os.system open quote and then yung single lang na quotation mark ano, CLS or clear the screen ano. So yan. So yan, it clears everything ano. Kung gusto niyo lang na blank slate ulit tayo kaysa open and i-close mo. So OS system CLS lang siya. Okay, so that's it for my part muna and then yung remaining commands plus another batch of commands ituturo ko sa inyo on our next meeting.